Hello YouTubers. Uh, so today we are going to do a screen replacement on an iPhone 13 Pro. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do, we need to heat up this area. Um, if you're using a metal plate, just use it for maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and that will heat up the thing. And now, what we need to do is use a pentel screwdriver and undo the bottom screws. So that's the first one, and that's the second one. Alrighty. Now what we're gonna do is try to pry this screen up, and once we get little bit of opening, what we are going to do is, because this screen is shattered as you can see, so I will use my fingers, but that's not a good idea. And what I'm gonna use is a pick here, and then just insert little bit into. Beautiful. So now you can see like it just comes off easily. Because of the heat, it's easy for this to uh, remove the screen. Alrighty. So as you can see here, perfect. And the other thing you need to know, be careful, is like you need to open this way, not as iPhone X and the other models. Now what I need is a little bit of support at the back, so I might use like a bottle. Okay, now let's we need, as you can see, like that's the A15 Bionic chip. um, this phone has been smashed pretty bad, so let's see if we can turn this one on. So now what we are going to do is like undo the battery connection, undo these like few of the tri-point screws. Right, and let's disconnect the battery first. So we just need to disconnect the battery. So that's been disconnected, and now we have to do these screws here. So what we need is a Phillips screwdriver and undo these few of the screws. So I think that's the one, and then now we got the tri-point. Yeah, like what Apple has made it is like they have made the repair harder by mixing the screws. Like some of them you need to have the Phillips, some of them you need Y000. So just a few combination. So Apple wants it to be a bit difficult, so you don't do it yourself. You need a little bit of experience to do the repair at the first place. Right, so now what we have done, we have disconnected the battery. Now we need to disconnect the screen, so I'm just doing it from here. That's been disconnected, and let's disconnect the earpiece. So that earpiece has been disconnected, so that screen came off this way, as you can see. Right, now what we have to do is like remove this part and put that one on the new screen. But before that, what I want to do is like just test the screen. So I got, this screen is quite expensive. You, like here in Australia, in 2023 we pay almost around $450 just for the screen. So that's um, and now I've connected this earpiece, and that's for the screen. And let's get the battery connector back on here. That's done. Let's see if we can okay, so the screen is working, so let's put some charger on. Let's wait for a few minutes so that let's wait for this to turn on. So the screen is working, it's charging, that means it's working. So now once we do that, what we do is like we just put the screen, scrunch, put all the screws back in. So that was for the this was for the cable, and that's for the battery. We just put everything back and close the phone. Yeah, so that's a repair for iPhone 14 Pro. I want to do few other tests, so I won't be closing the phone right now because I want to check few other things. But from a screen replacement point of view, this is exactly what you do. Yep. Thanks for watching, guys.